My dear friends, today's topic is very helpful, especially if you are still looking for a job in Dubai. Many people make the same mistake again and again. These small mistakes can stop you from getting interviews or the job offers. But don't worry, I will show you what these mistakes are and how you can do things better. Let's go step by step. Mistake number one, sending the same CV everywhere. Some job seekers send one CV to 50 companies. They don't change anything, not even the job title. This makes your CV look generic as well as lazy. Do this instead. Change your CV for each job. Use the same words from the job post and show that you are the perfect fit for this job. Mistake number two, no clear job target. Many people apply for job. They see driver, hotel, marketing, office all at once. This looks confusing to the recruiters. They don't know what you really want. Do this instead. Choose one or two job types, focus your CV and LinkedIn on that goal, and apply only to the job you are truly qualified for. This shows that you are serious and clear. Mistake number three, weak LinkedIn profile. Some people have no photo, no summary, no activity, and wrong job dates. If your LinkedIn looks empty or outdated, recruiters may ignore you. So do this instead. Add a clear smiling photo. Write a short summary of 3 to 4 lines. Be active, like, comment, or post once in a week, and make sure it matches your CV. Mistake number four, not following up. Many people apply for job and then they wait. No follow-up, no messages, nothing. Do this instead. After 5 to 7 days, send a polite message. Hello, I apply for the following job. Just checking if there is any update. Thank you for your time. This shows interest as well as the professionalism. Mistake number five, poor email or WhatsApp communication. Some messages are too short, rude, and full of spelling mistakes. Examples to avoid, for example, job, send me job fast, I won't work. Do this instead. Write a short, polite message. For example, dear sir or madam, I hope you are well. I'm interested in the following job role. Please find my CV attached. Thank you. You for your time as well as your effort. Remember, good words are always equal to the good impression. Mistake number six, giving up too early. Some people apply for 10 jobs, get no reply, and feel hopeless. But the truth is, many people apply for 50 or more jobs before getting first interview. Do this instead. Keep applying, keep improving your CV and skills, and keep learning from each and every step. Success takes time, but it will definitely come. Quick recap, common mistakes to avoid. Number one, sending same CV everywhere. Number two, applying to all kinds of job without focus. Number three, weak LinkedIn profile. Number four, no follow-up messages. Number five, poor communication. And number six, giving up too early. Let's fix this, friend, and give yourself a better chance to shine. What you can do today, pick one job type to focus on, update to your CV and match one common role, fix your LinkedIn summary and photo, send follow-ups for 2 old job applicants, and write one practice email in a polite way. These small actions will help you stand out from the crowd. Coming up next, in the next video, I will show you easy AI tools you can use today to make your job search faster and smarter. You will love these tools. Friends, super useful and free tools are available. Final words, looking for a job in Dubai is a journey. Don't let small mistakes block your success. You are smart, you are skilled. Let's make sure recruiters see the best vision of you. See you in the next video. Bye.